I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out.
Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for one of my videos once again. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, welcome. I hope that you like it. I hope that you stay. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. I'm pretty sure you're looking at me and you're like, and then who's this? Who's this girl? When did I even subscribe to her channel? Like, who is this? I want to say that I'm back. I was like, there's no way that I'm going to end the year without posting at least one video. At least one video just before the year ends. Otherwise, guys, I'm pretty sure storage is just driving me crazy. It's the reason why I haven't been able to post anything. Even today, I'm just like, I'm gonna try my best to do a spend the day with me vlog and not like a week-long vlog, because I don't have storage and I'm trying to get a video by the end of the year. So today I'm supposed to have a busy day, guys, in the chat, because I am supposed to have a big day. I'm thinking about I should be preparing my hair, like the looks instead of talking. But anyway, today I'm supposed to have a busy day, but because I work with people, a busy day it depends on. So by the way, it's safe with me. By the way, guys, I have started a business, and that's also what I wanted to show you guys. I have started a hair business, so I do wig services, which is washing your hair, treatment, wig revamp, wig izakho, customization, and wig installations. Not just that, and I also sell the hair. So tenginwele kumu, dik installele, dik customizele, ube sharp and good to go. Sphine zithi xa zimdaka, uphinde uzibuyise, ndizihlambe, ndizistraighten, ndizirevampe, uphinde ube right. Yeah. So I'm waiting for a client now. She's supposed to be here because we agreed on 9 a.m. But so I'm guessing she's on the way. Now I'm also a bit late because so I don't really mind it because to get ready. Also now she didn't like book way before. Like an hour ago about for an installation. So I had to get up, bath, prepare my stuff and all of that stuff. So Ben Sancho, let's spend the day with me. So exactly. I have installations. I have to collect in Wele. I have to package the hair. I have to send out the hair. But I'm not sure that's what's stressing me out. This courier is stressing me out. I think there's a delay, but I just can't confirm as of yet. If you pay me, then there's a delay. So I'm just crossing fingers that I get the hair today so that it can get delivered to Abantu Bazo right on time. When I'm done, it was Lungisa. I did this installation yesterday. It's lifting a bit up, and that is because I tried using the yellow RL Glamour Spray. Usually I use the purple one for my clients, and it lasts. It lasts. So I was like, okay, let me try this one out and see, because I already had a dish that I was not using it. And guys, I don't like it, Shem. It makes the installation take way longer because it keeps lifting during the installation, and it's literally the next day and it's already lifting. But anyway, let's get on with this day. I'm most likely not going to talk to you again because of storage, but I hope you enjoy. Guys, I forgot I'm going to show you guys the hair. So this is the hair that I sell. 8-inch bob, and then it's 650. It's on opening special. Opening special is up here by the end of the month, which is December. So by the time you see this video, the opening special will still be on. I'm going to have number up so that you can contact me and get your hair. 650 is excluding delivery, excluding customization. Customization 150 rands. 150 customization guy 200. New 200 to be 150 last week, Black Friday, but we will be 200. And then it delivered Pixie, so you can choose 60 rand or 110 rand. In reality, they look like this because I have not straightened them. This installer, and they looked at the time. So when you straight hair, you have to straighten them every day, especially if you bone straight and not Vietnamese hair. So this is single joint bone straight. You have to straighten them every day. If you bob, we go every day. So we cut and stuff. Thank you, Mandy. I'm controlling the angle, but I am so annoyed, guys. I am annoyed. I've been waiting since 9. Okay, man, 9:30 because that's when I was like completely done with everything. I sat down, damn Linda, and then I called because it was already like 30 minutes late. But she's on the way, blah blah blah. Go better 11. It's past 10:30. Go better 11. Lindel. This is why I'm going to implement a booking fee, just so you can make sure you have your appointment. Because lucky for her, I don't have any appointment after immediately. So if you get late, still, but if we get after 11, this is my main station that I had set up for girl, so I thought I should just show you. I have iron comb, don't get away, straightener, edge brush, comb, a lace tint, pale lace tint. I need to restock. I need to restock on most of my products because they are pale. And then I have this hair dryer. I got 1, 2, 3 from Take a Lot. Also, I need to cafe down, but here I have it's a spray bin tetanga. So this is the spray that I usually use for clients. And then the other one, Sipezul, was called up since I knew that I wasn't going to be using them. We mess it up, but don't worry. And then this is the mousse. Now, pale. I don't know if you can see that. I need to restock on that too. On the brighter side of things, here I have flowers that my boyfriend got me about a week ago. They're looking pretty. This baby is dying. She's dying. And then I forgot what they called, but it's really nice. I'm just holding on this one. I'm holding on this one to open up, and it's starting to open up. Another bouquet that I had was white flowers. They look pretty too, but colors is zone. They didn't make it to a week. I think on day 3 or 4, and they asked me about what did I do wrong, but I loved them too. But as I'm just going to sit here and wait until I have maybe other errands to run, until maybe le parcel nilindile courier guy ifike, and then ndibeka daily ngana kanjani installation. Thing is ke ixesha liyahamba, if le ntombazana ingafika ngoku and then after 30 minutes I have to collect my parcel, sizothini? I have no choice but to leave you. I wouldn't do that, but unfake konini, yabo ba unfake konini.
There you go. So we are extremely excited about tonight. Well, we're very happy to have you here amongst this beautiful space. First of all, we'd like to thank the V&A Waterfront for putting on this incredible concert for the people. Thank you, V&A Waterfront.
and I'm going through it. Like, I am going through it. This is YouTube channel, and I'm going today again. It's been a week since I last vlogged. It's been a week since I went to Waterfront for the Faku concert, which was the 10 out of 10. Especially for a free concert. That was too good. That was too good. But Monoyam is not focusing on that right now. There's a lot happening. Okay, where do I start? If you remember, I'm pretty sure you remember because you're watching this like in like 30 minutes or 15 minutes, I don't know. I said I was waiting for her, Annie, until yesterday, which was the 11th of December. I have been waiting. Last week when I made a video talking about, but I'm waiting for an order, blah 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 blah. It had been a week already in Inwele, guys. It turns out that courier guy didn't even pick up the hair. I don't know what happened. The hair was submitted, but it was not collected for about a week. And then my supplier, God bless her for that part, right, on Tuesday. So I supply me to on Tuesday, and then guys, I'm so sorry, are on the way, I am so sorry. I promise you, you will get zako. Mind you, talk about the Black Friday sale, appealing 1st of December. It dating don't plan 12th of December. I want to ask for my yo. Stress and naso. Stress and naso. Okay, fine. My supplier resends the hair, uses overnight delivery, but the hair gets collected on a Wednesday, right? Hair gets collected on a Wednesday, and I received the hair yesterday on Thursday. Yesterday I went to town, and then I thought I was going to vlog. I could only vlog the train station. That's how hectic the day went. I had such a long day, Izolo. I couldn't even like come back home and give you guys an update or anything. Here's what happened. I wait because I got there when they said, that the parcel is out for delivery, right? I was like, let me just leave home because Uhlala endlini is driving me crazy. It's driving me crazy. At least in the driver figure and Nyani gave driver figure and gave me the parcel, guys. In Welezia short, people are complaining. Rightfully so. Rightfully so. About pressure, guys, and I can't just say buying customers understand, because there's no way that you can understand to that point. Like, even if you've been gym, guys, I was not going to understand until that point. I can understand a week, 2 weeks. Ngomso, okay, no, Ngomso is not Monday. What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. But in a few days, I could only get a few like hair units. And then it's messed up, no, because who bought 2 hair, because Black Friday I was running a combo sales. Most people bought the combo sales. Combo sales, guys, is figure and like straight hair and curly hair, figure curly hair. If it's straight hair and curly hair, figure I'm straight hair. I just said the same thing, but guys, please understand me, I'm going through it. I wonder if I had recorded this like a few days ago, again color, but right now I'm feeling just a bit better. Because this fake doing it down. This fake doing the normal of my phone tata any orders in December. The storage is carry off in Saturday, and half of the things I said as record the gang. Little business and event if once and for all. But I want to show you guys the hair. Some of the units that I got. So this is a curly water wave curls. See what wave curls is, guys. I just sprayed water only because I wanted to take a few videos for my catalog and pictures as well for my catalog. This is how the lace looks. This is transparent lace and not HD lace. This hair is not customized. Ifika inch. So if you don't want any customization or anything, this is how you're going to get a water wave curls. I'm going to check or I'll just insert my entire catalog for you to see. But I love them so much. Let me see if I can wear them. Let's see if let's see. Oh son, oh Stamina Sam, oh my love. If you phone on, just talk to me. If you phone on, Tetanam, talk to me. Just look at this. Look at how full it looks. Ngokuzi spray your amans. Because this hair is wet, guys. I don't know if you can tell because it's clinging onto my skin. This hair is wet, but look at how full it still looks even though the spray amans. So this is how it looks. This is 22 inches, right? This is how long 22 inches is going to be. Cool. So do the right thing. Text me. Let's talk. Guys, let's talk another time. I don't know when I'll continue this vlog again, but yeah.